If you want to change or remove lock screen shortcuts on any iPhone, make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version. Hold your screen right here, and then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click customize. And you can customize the lock screen right here by clicking the lock screen, and then basically you're gonna be able right here to see that you can change the widgets from the top, or you can just go ahead and click the shortcuts at the bottom right or left to change it. In my case, I'm gonna change the bottom left. Click the plus button right here to choose whatever control that you want to add. In my case, I want to add the translation right here, and I want to remove the wallet. Click the bottom right here plus, and then choose alarm or the clock, and then basically after you finish, just go ahead and hit save or done at the top right to just apply the settings. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.